Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to resize image in Word 1 into 1. Let's get started. Firstly we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then choose a picture on our file. Then insert it. Now we can see here we insert a picture in this document very easily. Now we click the picture and go to the format menu. Then we can see here many options. We find the height and width option. Now this is the height and width. We increase the height and width 1 into 1. Then press enter on your keyboard. Now we can see here we resize this image in Word 1:1 very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.